Now let's begin with the decryption process. For decryption, we are using the formula like P is equal to C raised to D mod of N. We have the value of C that is obtained previously is equal to 77. And we have the value of D is equal to 43. So 37 raised to 43 mod of 77. So now 43 is the big number. So for this purpose also we have to follow the previous steps. That is 37 raised to 1 mod 77. So for this we got the answer 37. Now we have to calculate it for 37 raised to 2 mod of 77. So 37 raised to 2 is nothing but 37 raised to 1 into 37 raised to 1 mod of 77. So 37 raised to 1 is nothing but 37 into 37 mod 77. So we got the value is equal to 60. Or either we can write it as minus 17 because 77 minus 60 is equal to 17. So 60 minus 77, it is nothing but we can write it as minus 17. Now we have to calculate this for 37 raised to 4 mod 77. So 37 raised to 4 mod 77 is nothing but we can write it as 37 raised to 2 into 37 raised to 2 mod of 77. Then we can write it as minus 17 into minus 17 mod 77. For this we can get the value either 58 or minus 19. Now we will calculate it for 37 raised to 8 mod of 77. So it is nothing but 37 raised to 4 into 37 raised to 4 mod of 77. So 37 raised to 4, it is nothing but minus 19. So minus 19 into minus 19 mod of 77. So for this, whenever we are calculating by using the calculator, then we got the value is equal to 53. Or 53 we can write it as minus 24. Because 53 minus 77, we got the value minus 24. Now same we have to again calculate it for 37 raised to 16 mod of 77. So 37 raised to 16 is nothing but 37 raised to 8 into 37 raised to 8 mod of 77. And we got the value minus 24 into minus 24 mod of 77. And after calculating it on calculator, we got the value like 37, or either we can write it as minus 40. Now let's begin with the next step. So 37 raised to 32 mod of 77. So 37 raised to 32 is nothing but 37 raised to 16 into 37 raised to 16 mod of 77. So for 37 raised to 16, we got the value either 37 we can write or minus 40. Suppose we have write here 37 into 37 mod of 77. Then we get the value 60, or we can write it as minus 70. Now here we cannot go with the step that is 37 raised to 64 mod of 77, because in the given example we have to calculate it for 37 raised to 43 mod of 77. So 37 raised to 43, it is nothing but we can write it as 37 raised to 32 into 37 raised to 8 into 37 raised to 2 into 37 raised to 1 mod of 77. So we have to check the value of 37 raised to 32. So 37 raised to 32, it is nothing like minus 17 we can write here. For 37 raised to 8, we have to check the value. So 37 raised to 8, it is nothing but either we can write it as 53 or minus 24. So we can write here minus 24. Then for 37 raised to 2, we can write it as 60 or minus 17. Suppose we can write it as 37 raised to 2 is equal to minus 17. And 37 raised to 1, we can write it as 37 or either we can write it as minus 40. So we are writing here minus 40 and then mod of 77. So for calculating this, we will get the value that is 277440 mod of 77. So while calculating using the calculator, we got the value our plain text is equal to 9. So our plain text P is equal to 9. So we have done with the encryption process as well as the decryption process. According to the encryption, we got the value of our ciphertext is equal to 37 and value of our plain text is equal to 9.